My today's topic of presentation is China Raptor Train IoT based botnet. My name is Surya Aslam and my group members are Sikandar Khan and Zahidullah Khan. Today's talk consists of five areas. What is botnet? We will see Raptor Train botnet incident rate and its technical architecture. And we will do analysis of this incident in terms of threats, attack, and countersum. So, what is botnet? It is basically a set of interconnected computers and devices over the internet which are controlled by the attacker through C2 server. Botnet can have centralized, multi-tier, decentralized architecture depending upon attack severity. Raptor Train IoT botnet falls under the category of advanced persistent threat type, which means it was initiated by China state against US and Taiwan to get critical information. In around mid 2020, it was captured by Black Lotus Lab. According to the report, it has infected more than 2 lakh IoT devices, small office, home office routers, IP cameras, and NVDRs. According to the data shown in the table, it has affected more than 10 countries. And the attackers have used nose type, a variant of Mirali malware, to infect these IoT devices. Since it is the largest botnet found till date, as the multi-tier architecture. So management nodes give instruction to the C2 nodes at the tier 2 level, and then these nodes infect IoT devices at the tier 1 level. And these devices are then used to compromise other devices to form a larger network of the botnet. What could be the possible threats related to these IoT devices? It could be open access ports. Since we use FTP ports, HTTP, and TCP to connect over the internet, according to the report by the Black Lotus, the attackers have used SQL injection type. So HTTP on HTTP port, we can do SQL injection attacks. So it could be of one of the possible reasons. Second is unchanged default password. Since the IoT devices which got compromised, their vendors have used ARM processors, and these processors use Linux operating system. So it could be the reason that their default root passwords of the Linux didn't get changed, or it could be the reason of outdated firmware. Their softwares are not updated, and all these vulnerabilities can be exploited by the attacker. What could be the possible attacks on the IoT devices? It could be DDoS attack on the router. We could do credentials sniffing. The breach password can be used to log into the system. We could do the phishing attacks. Uh, Botnets can use this tactic to create a larger network of the botnet, and botnet malware creation. Botnet can further insert malicious softwares into the vulnerable IoT devices. What could prevent? So, what kinds of preventions we can take to prevent such kinds of attacks? We could have strong password policies. We should update our hardware regularly. We should do scheduled device reboot so that any malware which has gotten access to the device can be removed. Or we could do security updates and patches, especially on the firewall. So if there is any unusual behavior over the internet, it should get caught. So that's all. Thanks.